In this video, learn how you can compress a folder that contains files in your Windows 11 machine. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can compress a folder that contains files in your Windows 11 machine. So on my desktop, I have a folder that contains files. The folder's name is Office Doc, and this is the files that contain. So if I want to compress this file, I right click on the folder, then I click on compress to a zip file. Then this will compress all the files in the folder into a zip file. Now, the file has been compressed to a zip file. Thank you. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.